Mommy is just getting some gift. More options, more options, more options, options.
Do we have any more apple juice?
Juice.
Say it the right way. I know. Say apple juice the right way, Amber.
Hey, Daddy, say it.
Apple juice. Emery, say it.
Apple. Just apple.
Apple juice.
I will do it. Apple.
Apple juice.
Daddy, apple.
Apple juice.
Juice.
Water?
Yeah.
Water?
Water.
Yeah, want water?
Water.
No, I say waddle, whittle, waddle, 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 waddle. Do it. Waddle, whittle, waddle, 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 waddle. Ooh. Oh. Emery, go like this. Ah. Waddle, whittle, waddle, 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 waddle. Yeehaw. It's too big. No, it's too big.
It's so big.
Can I peel that chicken for you?
No, not good. I got a nook.
Yeah, but it's got bones in it.
Bones? I'm a humble more. Kiko bones.
No, it's not Kiko's bones. It's bones in the chicken that we got to get rid of so that you don't choke on them.
Oh. Choke?
Yeah. Can Daddy do it so you don't choke on it? Can I pull the bones out?
No.
I have to.
I'm gonna take a nipple.
Emery, let me pull the chicken for you.
Cow.
Yeah. Can I do it?
It's cow.
It's not a cow. It's a chicken. Can I do it?
No, it's not. It's a fool. It's a chicken lion.
You
A
want,
chicken lion.
you want me to make it into a chicken lion?
A chicken lion? Yes, it's chicken lion. That's right there. Yes, a chicken lion.
Okay.
It's a chicken and it's an elephant. Don't you sad, Mommy? Don't you sad, Don't you sad, Daddy? Don't you sad?
Don't do sad.
No.
I'm not sad. Emery, let me peel this for you. It's got too much bones in it, Emery. You're gonna end up choking on a bone. Can I peel it?
No. Look, I got it.
Yeah. Here, look. This part. Eat it.
No, it's not.
Eat it.
It's not Gens.
Just eat that.
It's not Gens.
It's not what?
It's not Gens.
No.
I'm gonna get a little bit.
A little bit.